Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a full face using high-end makeup products that are currently my favorites. This is the makeup look that I achieved with all these products. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. To prime my face, I'm going to go in with my Cover FX Dewy Skin Primer. I've really been loving this. That's what it looks like, and it feels like I'm putting like an oil serum on my face. So it kind of is like greasy feeling, but I like it. And it gives my skin a really nice dewy effect. For lip balm, I've really been loving this Too Faced Peach Lip Balm. It's like the cutest little lip balm. And it smells so good. I cannot get enough of it. So it's just like that, and I just go in with my finger. It smells so good. For concealer, I have been loving my Rare Beauty concealer. I am in the shade 210N. I was a little scared that this was going to be drying at first, but it actually goes on very nicely when you like prep the skin really well. So I've really been liking this. The finish is really natural and it provides like a good amount of coverage. See how natural and pretty the finish of this is? I really like it. For blush, I've been loving Tarte's Sugar Rush sister brand's cream blush in the shade Ocean Girl. This has been my go-to and I've been using it so much because it's so creamy. And I really love the color. It's like my perfect shade of pink. So this is what the blush looks like. I think it looks so pretty. And it actually leaves like a dewy cast on the skin itself. If you don't have anything underneath, it does make your skin look dewy, which I love. So for bronzer, I've been loving my Kosas Moisturizing Baked Bronzer. This is in the shade Medium. And this is just like the prettiest bronzer ever. And it blends on the skin so nicely. So I've really been loving this. For highlight, I love my Kaja Mochi highlighter in the shade Luna. This is just like the cutest little highlighter. And it's like squishy. If you want a really natural highlighter, I suggest this one because this one isn't too blinding. That's kind of why I like it. So yeah, I really like this. For eyebrows, I really like my Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. And lately, I've just been running my eyebrows with gel and then like outlining them with concealer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Now for eyeshadow, I always come back to my Tartelette in Bloom palette. I'm not sure why. I always try to reach for like other eyeshadow palettes, but this is the one that I just always come back to because it's just like I can just create so many looks with this. So it has like all the colors I need. So yeah, this is just like my favorite palette and I can't seem to use anything else, so I'm just gonna go in with Smarty Pants as my transition color. Now I'm gonna go in with Jet Setter, and I'm gonna put this on my lid. Now I'm gonna go in with Firecracker and just lightly tap that, and then lightly tap it all over my lid. I don't want the shimmer to be too crazy. Now I'm gonna go in with Funny Girl and use that to highlight my inner corners. Now I'm gonna go in with Activist and create a eyeshadow wing. For mascara, I have been loving this Milk Makeup Kush mascara, and this is the waterproof one. So yeah, it's a big fat wand, and so I didn't expect to like it that much. I mean, sometimes I like fat wands, but that's really rare. So I really like this one, and yeah. See how you guys can actually see my eyelashes for once? Yeah, this did that. Alright, so for the final step, I'm really excited about this product. This is the new this is Tarte's new lip product. These are the Maracuja Juicy Lips. I love these. I bought like 4 of these. They're just like so great. Like especially the formula. I can't even explain the formula, and it's just like looks so juicy and perfect on your lips. My favorite color that they have is coconut. So it's just like that's what it looks like, and you just pump it up and then you use it. And it goes on like a gloss, but it's so moisturizing. And it does make your lips look juicy. So yeah, this is the Maracuja Juicy Lips in the shade Coconut. They feel so comfortable on the lips. And the color options that they have are gorgeous. Alright guys, that was my full face using high-end makeup product favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.